Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making arroz moro with coconut milk, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have my water, I have green olives, my homemade sofrito, some parsley flakes, some garlic powder, I have my tomato sauce, some peeled garlic cloves, black pepper, adobo, onion powder, a pack of sazón, my small red beans, I have my coconut milk, my rice, my oil, some cilantro, and an onion. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is put my flames on a medium low. And I'm going to add my oil. Okay. Now I'm going to come and add my onions. And I'm also going to add my mashed up garlic. Okay. Now we're going to turn this around and let this cook for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add my onion powder, my garlic powder, my sazón, my black pepper, my adobo, also my parsley. And we're going to give this a mix. I'm also going to add my sofrito. And my tomato sauce. Okay, and now we're going to give this a mix. Just want to make sure everything is mixed really well. Now I'm going to add my beans. And we're going to mix. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. And we're going to mix everything. Look at that. It smells so good too. And trust me, this is really good. Okay, we're going to let that cook for a few seconds. Now that that's starting to bubble a little bit, I'm going to add my cilantro right on top. And then I'm going to mix it. Okay? Just like this. I'm also going to add a little bit of my green olives. Okay? I will have how much I'm using and what I'm using in my description below. Okay? And I'm just going to mix. And we're going to add our rice. Okay? Make sure you always rinse your rice and your beans. I always rinse my rice and beans. Okay? So now I'm going to come and just mix this together. You want the rice to cook completely with this flavor. Okay, if you guys like what you see so far, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to add my water. And that's it. Now I'm going to cover it. Okay, and we're going to let this cook. Cover completely. In 20 minutes since my rice has been cooking, so what I'm going to come and do now is I'm going to stir my rice. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness, it smells so good too. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to give me that thumbs up and share it out. Okay, so we're going to give this a nice stir. You don't want to over stir it because you don't want it to come out mogollón. So now what I'm going to come and do is recover it. And we're going to cook it for another 20 minutes. And we'll be right back. So it's been another 20 minutes. Look at how good that looks. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we're gonna come and we're gonna stir this again. Look at that. You see that? It smells so good. Oops, I hit the camera. We're gonna leave this for like another, I want to say another 10 minutes, and this is ready to serve. Okay, so we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been an extra 10 minutes, making it 50 minutes in total since I've been making the rice. And look at this. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is ready to serve. I'm so excited right now. It smells so good too. So let's serve it. You guys, look at this rice. Oh my goodness, look at that. You see that? It smells so good. I want to thank you like always for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will have my ingredients and the exact amount I'm using in my description below. And like always, have a blessed day and enjoy.